Hi everyone, and welcome to our Deliverable 5 presentation. We're the Dream Team, and today we're excited to walk you through TurboType. My name is Rita, and I'm the project manager.
Hi, my name is Keenan, and I'm in charge of the backend.
I'm Beam, and I work on front-end development.
Hello, my name is Bonnie, and I'm the UI UX designer.
My name is Torin, and I'm the database engineer.
Hi, I'm Saswata, and I'm the quality assurance and backend engineer.
Here's a quick overview of what we'll cover today. First, we'll talk about why TurboType exists. It's the need for a more accessible and engaging typing solution on mobile. Second, we'll look at who we designed it for, and the specific users and use cases that shaped our decisions. Third, we'll walk through what we built, the core features, modes, and the experience we created to address the problem. And finally, fourth, we'll show how it all works with a complete, user-focused walkthrough of TurboType in action.
For our project, we started by asking a simple question. Why does mobile typing need a better solution? First, there's boredom. Most typing tools today are repetitive and not designed with mobile users in mind, which makes it harder for people to enjoy or stick with regular practice. Next, accessibility is a major gap. Many apps ignore key needs like high contrast, clear text, and simple navigation. For a lot of users, these features aren't optional. They're essential. We also saw issues around motivation. Users who want to improve, especially for accessibility or skill building, often struggle to stay consistent because existing tools don't offer incentives or a sense of progression. Another key factor is that mobile typists are underserved. Typing has shifted heavily to phones, especially for younger users, yet most training tools still focus on computers. There are very few resources that actually help people improve on mobile devices. And finally, all of this creates a clear opportunity. There is no popular high-quality typing game designed specifically for phones. With so many people using mobile devices as their main device, we saw a chance to create something fun, competitive, and genuinely helpful for building typing confidence. That's the why behind TurboType.
Next, let's talk about who TurboType is built for. TurboType is designed for students, casual typists, and users who need a simple, supportive way to improve their typing on mobile. These are people who want to build confidence without dealing with complicated interfaces or overwhelming features. These users need clear visuals, readable text, and a smooth mobile experience that feels intuitive and easy to follow. They don't want distractions or clutter. They want something that just works. More importantly, they want a tool that keeps them engaged, something that encourages consistent practice, feels enjoyable to use, and turns typing into an experience that's fun rather than stressful. These users shaped every design decision we made.
Now let's look at what we built. TurboType offers a full typing experience that focuses on engagement, variety, and accessibility. At its core, it's a game. We turn typing practice into fast, interactive races with real-time feedback in a clean, mobile-first interface that is both simple and familiar, especially for younger generations. We included multiple game modes. Users can choose from single-player modes, real-time multiplayer, a tutorial mode, and endless mode. Together, these modes provide structured learning, continuous practice, and competitive play. For difficulty of the text, we use AI-generated sentence levels, easy, medium, and hard, to keep practice personalized and appropriately challenged so users can progress at their own pace. And finally, we added rewards. Car customization, unlockable cosmetics, and progression systems all help motivate users to return, improve, and make typing practice something they actually look forward to. Overall, TurboType is built to be accessible, enjoyable, and genuinely useful for anyone looking to type better on mobile.
Now, let's talk about how TurboType actually works. What you're about to see is the full user experience from start to finish. So this is our demonstration for the application. This is our main menu, not the main menu, the login or sign-in page. You can log in with Google or use an existing account or create one manually. And this is the terms of service. This is the privacy policy. So if you forget your password, you can just do this. And this is for when you don't have an account yet. So I'll just use my existing account. It's called b5@test.com. I will not tell you my password. Okay, so this is the main menu, and this shows you the leaderboard across all users for all time. And this shows you the weekly leaderboard, and that's the podium. And this is the history page, and you can see your progression as you play the game. This shows you the avatars you can unlock. I only have one right now, and this is the backdrop selector, so I can choose whichever backdrop I want. And here's the gacha, so it basically chooses at random which cars you're gonna get. So I got this new car. If I go here, I'll see this car unlocked. Okay, so now let's go into the setting. There's like a music in the background, and you can disable or enable it by toggling it. And this is the teach mode. You can type. It basically teaches you how to use the application, and you can go to the next lesson. And here's the friend page. Currently I have 0 friends, but I have 2 requests, so I can accept both, and they'll both show up on my friends list. Let's go on to the game mode. So the practice mode, there is punctuation and capitalization, which you can enable or disable, and you can choose the metric of 10 seconds, 30 seconds, or 1 minute, or the amount of words. So I'll choose 10 words. So this one you can type and learn and practice for how many times you want without leaving the game. So I can go to the new text. I can iterate through the text, and then I exit. Here's the endless mode, and this is a little game mode that we made to make the game more entertaining. And if we miss like 3 words, you're gonna get game over. And it shows you the score, the words per minute, accuracy, and the distance. Let's go to the challenge mode. The challenge mode is when you challenge against bots. So you can, like the other game modes, you can enable punctuation or capitalization. You can choose a difficulty based on the AI engine that we developed, which measures the text difficulty based on the context and the length of the word. So this is the easy one. Deep. Birds fly high in the sky. Perfect. Now we see the end screen. Shows you the words per minute, accuracy, and the time it takes you, and it tells you how much coins you gained. Okay, let's go on to the multiplayer now. So I'll choose the 10 words. I'll create a room. The code is Z3L37Z. Okay, so my friend joined. Let's start the race. Okay. Ooh, this one's a bit hard to type. So this is what I mean by like harder words. So as you can see, like the context of the word is more stem based, and it's less known to regular people, I guess. Oh, she won.